Welcome back to Wiring Products. On this episode, we are going to demonstrate our Ratchet crimper. The crimp on this is the same every time. Every single time the crimp, it's identical. And I wanted to let you know that these are made for vinyl, heat shrink, and nylon insulated terminals. So again, it's vinyl, it's heat shrink, and nylon insulated terminals. This crimper is really nice also because it has a safety feature. If you look right in here, there's a lever. As long as you're not squeezing it, take one hand off the other side. As long as you're not squeezing it, you can push that lever up towards the top and it releases. Nice safety feature. It's color coded. It has numbers on it to tell you what gauge wire. It goes from 8 gauge all the way down to 22 gauge. It does not get any better than that in my world. What else can I tell you about this? It's magnificent. Love it, love it. And time to demonstrate it. You can find your spot by matching colors. Again, looking at numbers. You stick it right in there. Then you squeeze it just like that. And you could hear it. You could actually hear it clicking in there. And then you squeeze it. And it comes up. And look at how long this handle is. It's really, really good for leverage. And it's a perfect crimp every time. And that is how you use a Ratchet crimper. For more information, come to wiringproducts.com.